Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like always, thanks again to everybody who's been loving and supporting me along this journey. I really and truly appreciate all of you guys. If you are new here today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload anything new, and also like, comment anything that you would like to see from me. Today, oh, and also rewind once again, like always, I hope everyone is very safe, healthy. My love goes out to everyone. Positive vibes, y'all. But anyway, today is a very fun day because I just received my FabFitFun box. So this is for the summer of 2020. I feel like I kind of received a little bit earlier than usual, so I'm really excited to go ahead and just get right into this. I have no idea what's in it, so if you are ready, then let's get started. Okay guys, so before I get started, I just want to remind anyone who doesn't know what FabFitFun is. It is a seasonal subscription box that includes anything in there that has to do with lifestyle, beauty, makeup, any kind of thing, even home decor, things like that. Anything like that, it's in there for $49.99 a season, so you get 4 times a year, or you can go ahead and pay $180 annual, and then you get the boxes all year long for a whole year. Also, I do have a $10 off if you do want to try the box for the first time. I will go ahead and link it in the description box somewhere down there if you want to take a look at it. So like I said, this is for the summer of 2020. It's a little bit different, feels a little bit smaller and like thicker than usual. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is what it looks like. I kind of like the color of this one. It's a blue, kind of reminds me of the ocean. Alright, so as you open this up, comes with your little magazine, FabFitFun. Here is Gabby Douglas. It basically gives you all little trends, things that's going on right now as far as style, workout. Sometimes they talk about like foods, like I said, style, clothing, and of course it has descriptions and the prices of everything that's going to be in your box as well. Followed by here a $90 off plus free shipping off Green Chef. That's kind of cool to have. Here we have a 20% off, what is this, Our Place. I've never heard of this, but that's kind of cool too. And lastly, we have a $50 credit from Bright Cellars, which is wine, a wine spot. So that's pretty cool as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side and get to opening. Ooh, this looks, just like, look at this guys. As you look at this, tell me it doesn't look awesome. Alright, so one of the things that I definitely like about FabFitFun is, like I said, it's not all about skincare or makeup or anything. It has to do with anything, even for at home. I know there's been a couple of times where I've literally gotten stuff for the house, even for the kitchen, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the first thing that I see here, and this looks like it is something by the brand Spongel. It's a hand cream, coconut verbena. This is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully the camera focuses. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's just a coconut cream. This one says that it retails at $18 based off what it says in my little booklet here. It says that basically it just nourishes and hydrates your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and macadamia seed oils. I'm smelling it and I haven't even taken the thing off. Okay, so, it's a white cream. That's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and blend that in my skin. It smells amazing, guys. Alright, I'm really big into scents. It's not tacky, it's kind of soothing. Definitely a nice hand cream. The smell is 100% my total type of thing. So this is nice to have. Put it in your purse. Like I said, it is a hand cream. That's the first thing in the box. Next on here we have something by Grace and Stella, and this says that it is a hyaluronic acid. This is what the packaging looks like. This one retails at $25. Okay guys, this is what it actually looks like. It's really cute. I like the details on it, and like I said, it does retail $25. It says that basically it improves your skin's moisture, balance, and of course it's hyaluronic acid, so who doesn't want a little bit of good skincare? So I'm gonna go ahead and try this right here. I just don't want it to, ooh, oh snap, it's kind of bubbly. I don't know if you can kind of see the consistency. It's a little bit more watery than I thought. Oh my god, this smells amazing as well. You know, usually when I get skincare, the first thing I do is smell them. And if I don't like it, I give it to my mother, my brother, somebody, a friend, anything. But this I'm totally digging. Yeah, hyaluronic acid, I will definitely be using this. So moving on. Hold on, let me make sure that I'm good here. Alright, it's warm in here. Moving on here, we have something by the brand Zoe Isla, and it says it's a face and body ice roller. Just to backtrack, this one right here was actually a customization, and I believe this one was as well. If you do become a member, they actually give you an option if you want to customize your box. You can be totally surprised if you want to be surprised, or you can actually have an option up to like 3 or 4 options of what you would like to see in your box, because sometimes people don't want skincare or they don't want makeup, you know, anything like that. So that's just good for everybody to know. So this one retails at $30, and basically it's to reduce puffy eyes and rejuvenate your skin. This is what the product looks like. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like the little marble ones that we use, the jade rollers, but this is for ice. So I guess the whole hack with this is you put it in your freezer, let it get nice and cold, and then it's already nice and cold and it feels amazing. You're supposed to just rub it on your face. Let me see, make sure I'm telling you guys the right thing to do. Oh, you said, yeah, leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before the use, and you roll it all over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. It says basically this also can help out with any pre and post workout muscle tensions, bruises, aches. So it's basically like having a little portable ice pack. And with ice, of course, it reduces edema, which edema is swelling. So if you get swelling in your eyes, you put this a little bit on your eyes, it's gonna help depuff your skin. I thought it was very nifty, kind of little different thing to put in there, so I did choose to have that. So I'm excited about that. Moving on, I literally feel like I have a whole bunch of skincare in here. Next thing, I have something, this is a foot cream. This is by the brand Toroko, and this is blood oranges is I guess what's the scent, I'm assuming. Alright, so this one is actually it retails at $24. It's a combination of menthol and olive oil that helps heal and hydrate your feet. So for those of you guys with some dry ass feet, this is something that might be for you. My feet are pretty soft, so can't complain. But ooh, this smells mad good too. Definitely smells like orangey. It's more fruity. I know it's supposed to go on your feet, but obviously it's already on me. So yeah, it smells like I don't know, for you Spanish folks, like there's a brand called Postobon, has like colombiana and manzana and everything. Well, this smells like the naranja version, which is obviously orange, but it smells like an orange Colombian soda that I used to drink all the time. So it's very nice. Like I said, it is a foot cream, so it's nice to have. And moving on, here I have no idea what this is. This says that it's something by the brand Winky Lux. It's called Unibrow. Oh, it's an eyebrow pencil. Great, because I suck at doing my eyebrows already, so maybe this is something that I do need. This one retails at $16, and it says that basically it's to get your best brows ever. I don't know so much about that, but we'll see. The packaging is really pretty, and it kind of even shows you on the side like all these girls that have different eyebrows and how you can fill them in. So on one side you got the little brush, which I guess is nice, so you can brush up your eyebrows a little bit. Okay, and on the other side you have your pencil. Oh, it's nice. If you can see the tip of that, it's not like a let me see, I guess like it's kind of like a diamond shape. I don't know if you can kind of see it. I will swatch this right here. Maybe it's because I have mad lotion all over my hands, but that's what the color looks like. It looks like this one is in the color Universal Brow Pencil, so I guess it's just a universal color maybe. I don't know if it's the shade or if that's actually the only shade that comes for the brand. I don't know, but it's super cool. I'm not mad about that at all. So moving on up, you have something here by the brand Yumi Kim, and this is another customization that I did add onto my box just because I don't have anything like this. This is actually a wireless charging pad. As you can see, the packaging is mad pretty. It's mad cute. This one retails at $35, and basically you just rest your phone on it and let it charge. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so that's what it looks like. As you can see all the little flowers. It even has these little 4 little rubber things that when you put it down, it doesn't slide all over the place. And your cord, your USB cord, is really cute because it's like a little blue color. So that's just nice to have. Like I said, I did pick that because I'm tired of always having to find little things to plug up and everything like that around my house. So I figured it'd be cool to just have like next to the stand where I do homework and just throw my phone on there to charge it up. So that's real cool. I like that they did something different there. Moving on here. Wait, what is this? I'm so you know what? I thought this was something totally different. But I know what this is because this was a customization as well, and this one retails at $78 because it is from the brand Michael Kors, and it is let me show you guys. It's a passport wallet. I honestly thought that this was like basura in there. I was about to throw it out. So this is what she looks like. I know, mentira. Oh no, it is like that, yeah. See? So there's the little brand, and that's it. This is super cute, man. Hopefully we can start traveling soon. That way I can put my little passport in there and everything and get back on the plane to go somewhere. But yeah, I actually did pick this as a customization as well. I do have a wallet that kind of matches this, so I thought it'd be really cute. And on top of that, I don't have a passport holder, and it's just one of those necessities that when you're in the airport, you just want to be able to have handy. Like I said, $78. It's really nice material. It's Michael Kors. Perfect. And last but not least, in the box we have something here by the brand Hola. It says 70% plus organic, and this is a face sunscreen with a matte finish. I also did choose this one, if I believe so. This one retails at $36, and the reason was because I recently received in another box a Hola setting spray, and I really liked it. So I thought it'd be kind of nice to try a sunscreen for my face, especially now with the summer around the corner. I want to be able to protect my face a little bit more, so I figured this would be amazing. Here is what it looks like. Okay, so just like any kind of sunscreen, it's kind of thick, and it also has like a yellow consistency. So as far as smell goes, it smells like sunscreen. Actually, you know what? It smells like sunscreen, but not really. Actually, it kind of smells nasty. I'm not crazy about the smell. But they do, you know what it smells like? It smells like a bunch of plants. It is 30 SPF, and it's water resistance for 80 minutes guaranteed. So it's just nice, and I kind of like that it is a matte finish, because I know sometimes in the sun it's nice. It starts to, you know, your skin starts to kind of sweat or get a little bit oily, so that is nice. The smell's not bad. It definitely starts to get a little bit better, but it's definitely a plant-based smell, just so you know. So that's basically all I have for this box. I think the box is amazing. I like that it's steered away. Like, I literally got no makeup other than the eyebrow thing. It's just nice. The customization options are really nice this summer as well, because you were able to get a little bit of everything in it. I'm going to go ahead and add up the products just so we can see what the total of the box is, and I will be right back. All right, so after adding everything up, it looks like it totals out to $262. That is an amazing price for what you pay. Like I said before, you do only pay, like for instance, for me, I pay $180 for the year, and basically this already adds up to more than what I'm going to be getting in future boxes. It's a great deal. I really like it. Like I said, I will post the information for you guys at the bottom if you guys aren't interested. And also keep in mind that with the subscriptions also comes like add-ons and customizations, which I'm going to do a video next on my add-ons and I'm sorry, not customizations, my add-ons, because once you are a member, you get up to like 80% discounted items at certain times of the month, which is amazing. So around this time frame is the best time to get on there and shop for add-ons that you like at a very low price. So I do have a box of add-ons that came along with this, so I'm going to film that next, and I will have that up for you guys as well very soon. That way you guys can see exactly what it is that you can get in the items, in the boxes, and also how the items are and work and all that good stuff. So if you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, anything you can do to support your girl is greatly appreciated. I hope you guys had a good time unboxing this with me, and I'll see you guys next season with this box.